Your gym cannot give you this.
This is hiking.
It is nature therapy, shown to crush stress hormones better than any city walk. It is full-body functional fitness. Uneven terrain builds stabilizing muscles flat ground ignores.
It is free vitamin D for your immune system and mood.
It is the hiker's high. Rhythmic movement boosts creative problem solving and releases brain-boosting chemicals. It is social connection without laptop and phone screens. It is proof that you are capable. That the best things are not found on a screen, but at the end of a trail. Your trail is waiting. All you have to do is start.